In today's fast-paced world, time is our most valuable asset. We're constantly bombarded with tasks and notifications. Wouldn't it be amazing to have a digital assistant to handle the mundane? Enter IFTTT, a free service that stands for If This Then That. IFTTT is your key to automating tasks and reclaiming hours in your day. IFTTT acts as a bridge between your favorite apps and devices. It allows them to talk to each other and perform actions automatically based on specific triggers. Think of it like setting up dominoes. You line them up, and when one falls, the trigger, it sets off a chain reaction, the action. IFTTT is incredibly user-friendly. It revolves around the concept of applets. Applets are simple automations that connect two or more apps or devices. Each applet consists of a trigger, the if this part, and an action, the then that part. For example, let's say you want to be notified on your phone whenever a specific hashtag is used on Twitter. The trigger would be new tweet with hashtag #productivity. The action could be send me a notification. IFTTT takes care of the rest, ensuring you never miss an important tweet. You can either choose from thousands of pre-built applets, or create your own custom ones. IFTTT integrates with a vast array of apps and services, including social media platforms, smart home devices, productivity tools, and more. The possibilities for automation are endless. IFTTT can streamline countless aspects of your daily routine. Let's explore some practical examples. Morning routine. Imagine waking up to your smart lights gradually brightening and your coffee maker starting automatically, all triggered by your phone's alarm clock. Staying organized. Automatically save important email attachments to your cloud storage, ensuring you never lose track of crucial documents. Social media management. Share your Instagram post directly to your Twitter feed, saving you time and effort. Home security. Receive a notification on your phone whenever your smart doorbell detects motion, giving you peace of mind. These are just a few examples of how IFTTT can automate your day-to-day tasks. By connecting your apps and devices, you can create a seamless and efficient workflow that frees up your time and mental energy. The benefits of incorporating IFTTT into your life are numerous. First, let's talk about time savings. Automating repetitive tasks frees up valuable time that you can dedicate to more important activities. Increased efficiency is another major benefit. IFTTT streamlines your workflow, allowing you to accomplish more in less time. And who doesn't want that, right? Reduced stress is also a huge plus. By offloading mundane tasks to IFTTT, you can reduce cognitive overload and enjoy a calmer mind. Imagine that. Improved consistency is another key benefit. IFTTT ensures that your tasks are completed consistently, without the risk of human error or forgetfulness. Ultimately, IFTTT empowers you to take control of your time and focus on what truly matters. It's like having a personal assistant working tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring your day runs smoothly and efficiently. In a world increasingly dominated by technology, IFTTT offers a simple yet powerful solution to combat information overload and reclaim our precious time. By automating mundane tasks and connecting our digital lives, IFTTT empowers us to be more productive, organized, and ultimately happier. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how much you can achieve with a little automation magic.